Make outdoor life more comfortable with the Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater and Shower. This portable heater takes water from any source and heats it up for comfortable showering and hand washing in the great outdoors. Simply draw water by placing the pump in a bucket, stream, river, or other body of water. Running on propane gas, this unit runs water through a heating coil heated by a propane fire and gives you warmer water through either the shower head or faucet attachment. The temperature control knob lets you adjust the flame size, and the LCD screen displays the water temperature to help you dial in the perfect temperature. Plug it in anywhere with included power adapters that work with standard outlets and car cigarette lighters. Great for camping and RV trips. The variety of water ports and accessories give you everything you need for a comfortable shower anywhere. The unit is safe for the whole family with features like tilt detection and automatic shutoff when the water temperature exceeds 125 degrees to avoid burns. Bring home comfort with you on every outdoor adventure with the Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater and Shower.
The Tankless portable gas tankless water heater is designed to create instant hot water in seconds almost anywhere, making it perfect for RVs, campsites, cabins, animals, or simply around the house. With a total of 28,000 BTUs and rated output of 1.32 gallons per minute, the Tankless portable tankless water heater can produce endless hot water up to 110 degrees and can be set up in minutes. Everything you need to enjoy hot water comes right out of the box, including 3/4-inch water hose adapters with garden hose quick disconnects, a CSA certified gas regulator and hose with tape, a shower set with shower head and red hose, along with mounting hardware. The Tankless Portable Outdoor Shower is the only portable tankless water heater certified by the CSA. And with being just powered by 2 D-cell batteries, you can even use it when power is not available. Enjoy outdoor life with the Tankless Portable Outdoor Shower. Tankless, enjoy outdoor life.